Welcome back. You're watching a very special Christmas edition of LA Rider. I'm Lovey Zago. Well, another riding group who likes to bring cheer to the less fortunate are the Nubian Cruisers. They believe in giving back to the community, especially at Christmas time. We first met the Nubian Cruisers in the summer of 2005 when they invited us to ride along with them to the Zulu picnic at City Park in New Orleans. There is no doubt the Nubian Cruisers like to have fun. We've seen that firsthand when we hung with them at Bike Week. But there is a very serious side to this riding club which believes deeply in its mission to give back to the community.
You know, we have this old mayor that says One Baton Rouge. So we try to help support him and do our part to help Baton Rouge be a better place for each and everyone that lives here.
Now, I know earlier this year you went outside of Baton Rouge. You guys rode to Gina in support of the Gina 6. Tell me about that.
Yes, we rode up to Gina to support that cause in Gina. We didn't want people to start taking your grandkids out of school because they got in a fight and punch somebody in the eye and being charged as an adult because that kid has thrown a temper. And we just wanted it to be justice, it wasn't a black-white thing, it was just a right and wrong, and we rode to Gina for the right.
Sign right here, ma'am. And then when you sign here.
We caught up with members recently at Hall Davis Funeral Home, where they were distributing free furniture to recent fire victims.
We had an opportunity to build our own clubhouse, which gave us ownership that I was very proud of. And in our search for furniture for our clubhouse, when we found the furniture, I told Mac, I said, man, let's buy it and just give it away and bless somebody for Christmas. So it's all about giving.
But Davis, Palmer, and other Nubian Cruisers say the high point of their year is Christmas Eve, when they deliver toys to children spending Christmas in the hospital, and to others who need a little cheer at this special time of the year.
If we start with the kids, you know, Baton Rouge would be a better place, and we just want to be able to have functions and do things around Baton Rouge without it always being drama. So we're just trying to get past the drama.
Nubian Cruisers will be delivering toys to children at Our Lady of the Lake Hospital again this Christmas Eve, and we'll be there. For LA Rider, I'm Lovey Zago.